Originally designed as a running shoe, the New Balance 574 has become a legendary silhouette and a staple in the casual sneaker world. Unboxing the New Balance 574, U574TG2 reveals a sleek and refined color palette, primarily featuring shades of grey and white. The toe box is constructed from breathable grey mesh, wrapped around a grey suede front toe cap. The mid panel also utilizes grey suede, with the iconic New Balance N logo prominently featured in white label on both sides of the shoe. This colorway comes with standard flat laces in white, complementing the overall color scheme. The tongue is made of mesh and features a branded label, adding to the classic New Balance aesthetic. The top of the heel features a white leather overlay, with the New Balance branding in black. While the bottom half of the heel is wrapped in a layer of light grey suede, this part of the heel is what sets this colorway apart from the other grey 574s. The outsole is made of solid rubber, with a classic tread pattern for reliable traction. The midsole features lightweight EVA foam cushioning, contributing to the overall comfort of the shoe. Additionally, the end-cap midsole technology provides excellent support and durability. Lifestyle sneakers such as the New Balance 574 are my go-to on errand days and for days that includes lots of standing or walking around. This grey and white colorway is particularly versatile, making it suitable for a variety of casual and even semi-formal looks. Thanks for staying to the end and hope you've enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing to support the channel and also check out this other unboxing video of the New Balance 574 Legacy. See you in the next video.